Dropbox is a smart workspace for cloud file storage and sharing, where all your team's content comes together. By integrating it with OnePageCRM, you can easily access and add your files to notes, calls, and deals, ensuring you and your team always have all the information you need to move the sale forward. As Dropbox is one of the most popular and reliable file storage apps, it comes pre-installed in OnePageCRM. So all you need to do to get going is sign into your account or create a new one. You can then easily access all the stored files from the list, or run a quick search to pull up the items you need. You can select one or multiple files and add them straight to your OnePageCRM contact. It works the same when adding a file to a call or a deal. Easily add the files you need, ensure your team is always on the same page, and get on closing.